and welcome back, guys. Welcome back to another vlog. Currently at Bournemouth Beach. Decided to kind of have a day out. As you guys can tell, it is absolutely sunny, and if you are in the UK, you know that we don't really get much sunshine. So whenever there is a little bit of sun, guess what you got to do? You got to be outside, enjoy it, and spend time with your loved one, your families, and basically have a good time. So with that being said, guys, currently at Bournemouth Beach, walking through the gardens. It's actually really, really nice. You've got gardens, you've got mini golf. There's mini golf over there, and there's loads of places off to sit and just be on the lawn and just have a good time. So with that being said, guys, if you are new to the channel and you've never subscribed, make sure you subscribe, you like, you share, and you comment. If you don't live too far from the seaside, you take time out. Come to the beach, enjoy the weather, enjoy the water, okay? The UK has a lot of amazing beaches, which are sandy. They're not all filled with rocks and pebbles. Yeah, they do have sandy beaches. So Bournemouth is quite a sandy beach. So I'm going to share with you guys the beach. So come along with me, and discover Bournemouth with me. So it's not my first time coming to Bournemouth. I have been here before and I do enjoy it. It's quite clean, it's nice, it's sandy, and if you live in London, it's not too far from London as well. I think it's about 2 hours depending on traffic. If you live further up north, it may take you longer, so just to be mindful. Always leave early, plenty of time to park up, and if you're coming with a family, you already know, bring snack, bring food, because whenever you come into like a touristy place, things are always a bit more costly. So with that being said, guys, let's enjoy Bournemouth. All right, then I'm going to show you guys. Let's walk along the beach. So I can't wait to see the water. I honestly can't wait to see the water. So let's do this. guys, so I am done at the beach. It's been a really nice day, so I'm just gonna walk back, get something to eat. I might get an ice cream on the way out, but yeah, the beach has been lovely. It's been really nice. The weather's good. I can smell people having a barbecue on the beach. People have got their music on the beach, still relaxing on the beach. So yeah, definitely when the weather is like this and you're able to come and enjoy the beach, the water, make sure you bring your swimming costume so you can go in the water. It has been a pleasure coming to Bournemouth, to Bournemouth Beach. There is so much to do, but I didn't even get to do anything apart from lay down on the beach and put my feet in water. But with that being said, guys, I really do hope you have enjoyed the video. And if you are new to the channel and you haven't subscribed, do me a massive favor, subscribe, like, share, comment. You just never know with the UK weather. So when the times are good, enjoy. When the times are bad, just know there's good times around the corner. But I hope you guys are well, you're doing good, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bournemouth, goodbye for now. It has been a pleasure. So yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.